Hi, Lucas.
Hello, Emma.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am good.
Can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes, what do you want to talk about?
Can I ask you some questions?
Of course, ask the questions.
Who discovered America?
Christopher Columbus is credited with discovering America.
Who is the author of The Great Gatsby?
F. Scott Fitzgerald is the author.
Common English conversation. What do you want for Valentine's Day?
I want a heartfelt letter.
Where is the Eiffel Tower?
The Eiffel Tower is in Paris.
What is the capital of Japan?
The capital of Japan is Tokyo.
Did you come here alone?
Yes, I come here alone.
Where are you going?
I am going to college.
Where do you live?
I live in Madrid, Spain.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games.
Okay, what do you want to eat?
I want pizza and cold drinks.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it's outside raining.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
We are 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What is your position among brothers and sisters?
My position is 3rd among brothers and sisters.
Why did you choose that workout routine?
It suits my fitness goals.
How many hours do you work out?
I work for 1 hour every day.
What do you want for your birthday?
I want a fitness tracker.
How much do you spend on gifts?
I spend $200 monthly.
Do you want a Burger King?
No, I don't like Burger King.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music.
Which song are you listening to?
I am listening to hip-hop rap.
Where would you like to travel?
I want to travel to Canada.
Why did you start a photography hobby?
To capture memories.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What would you like to drink?
Plain water, I think that's enough.
By the way, you're lovely.
Oh, really? I can't believe it.
Why don't you trust my words?
I am just doubting what you're saying.
Why did you start a book club?
To discuss literature.
Why did you choose that car?
It's fuel efficient.
Why do we dream?
We dream of processing memories.
Which is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
How do you make coffee?
I make coffee with a machine.
Why is the sky blue in the day and black at night?
The sky's color changes due to the atmosphere.
When should I take the medicine?
Take the medicine after meals.
When will you finish your homework?
I will finish my homework tonight.
How do you write this word?
This word is written as an example.
Why do cats purr?
Cats purr when they're content.
What are you doing?
I am reading books.
Do you like to cook at home?
Yes, I like to cook at home.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is William.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
What do they do?
They are busy with various activities.
What do you like to do more?
I prefer to work.
What is your hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing football.
What do you like to eat more?
I prefer to eat pizza.
What do you do in your spare time?
I play tennis in my spare time.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had cereal with milk.
What does your father do?
My father is a banker.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.